So y'all, welcome back for another video. Today we got the EG here. Right now I just gave it a little quick like rinse down and shit, and then now I'm taking off the panels. I forgot to start recording in the beginning. All this little stuff is from like the, what's that called? The thing I had on it, cover. Shitty ass cover, but whatever, it helped a little bit. But yeah, on camera it looks super clean, but this thing got a whole bunch of misperfections and stuff. A couple things, but yeah, anyways, started taking it apart little by little. See, there's rust right there. I'm pretty sure under the side skid is also rust. Inside it looks like shit. Actually, inside is not the worst. I put SI seats in here. I forgot to show you guys that. That's all I did though. Yeah, other than that, I mean, taking this thing apart because whoever painted this doesn't know how to paint, and I don't even know how to paint. I bet y'all do a better job. So that's what I'm prepping this car right now for. I'm paint the engine bay, and everything's gonna be the same color. So I want to just restore this thing, bring it back to life, and I also have a motor that I'm gonna show you guys that I got for this thing, transmission, and I'll give you guys in a different video. I'll tell you guys what I'm gonna do with it exactly. I kind of said it in my first video. If you haven't watched that, make sure you guys go watch it. But other than that, let's get this thing started and finish taking this thing apart. I already finished taking off this part, this fender, these lights. I need to take all that stuff out, so I'm about to redo it all completely again, and I'm gonna paint the subframe. I need to clean the power steering rack. Hopefully it works. And then, yeah, redo all this shit. Probably order a whole bunch of new things and stuff like that. Let's see. All right, so I got all the seats up. I got the SI seats up from the front. Gotta have Shorty working too. She took out the center console. She's about to take out the rug. She helped me with the seat belts. I'm about to let her do the interior. Probably the easiest part. And then, yeah, other than that, I mean, I took this out. I just gotta finish taking. I was cleaning it out and stuff. That's why all this stuff is still not out. I need to take out those lines. I gotta redo everything. Yeah, but other than that, I mean, it's almost getting all completely stripped out, so we can go ahead and start sanding it down. And yeah, so basically I'm about to be doing all this by myself. I got no extra hand other than my girl. She probably helped me out a little bit, teach her a little bit as well. What happened? What the fuck happened? Oh, this thing, yeah, this thing has centipedes and
something in here.
What? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of different little animals and shit. This thing was like, literally, it's basically a barn find. It was sitting in the back of a like yard, so it has a couple of rust. Like all this stuff is rusty. Underneath is pretty decent. It has that. I need to fix that. What do you guys think? Do you think this thing is savable or no? Also has this over here. This is rusted. That's pretty bad there. Over here has the same thing. But one of the things that really has me worried the most is this right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This quarter panel is kind of done, I want to say. Same thing with over here. It's kind of, I don't know. And then this side, same thing. The gems are fine.
I know this is
But this right here has me kind of worried. What do you guys think? Savable or no? Right? Oh, there's more quarters in here. Oh, shit.
It's just on this end.
Is it on? It's under there. Just take it off of this side. Pass me that side of the road.
Oh, okay.
Alright, take it. No, don't go up. Don't go up. It's so dry. Put dry ice all over the floor. The carpet's almost out. I just started sanding this down. Obviously, it still needs a lot more, but I just did a little bit right here to see.
What about this one?
Alright, well, this is it for today. I started taking out the sound deadening and stuff. And, yeah, this thing needs vacuumed out and stuff. But for right now, this is today's progress. And then Probably come tomorrow and do a little bit more, or the weekend or something. I don't know. I need to get this sanded down. This is what I care about the most, sanding all this down. And then little by little start painting it and get on all this stuff so I can paint it. Alright, so it's the next day. Here we got, I started sanding all this stuff down. It's just a whole bunch of sand that's back. Yeah, I started sanding this down. You kind of see like the bare metal already on there. This still needs a lot more work. Obviously the whole car still needs a lot of more work, but this is the progress for right now. Not too bad. This car was crashed for sure. Look at this. This red, blue, fucking all bad. This is, you can't notice it on video. You can kind of notice from, if I'm moving out of the way, you kind of notice this side is a little bit more in and out, so it was definitely hit somewhere around here. So I gotta figure that out. This right here, need to figure this out. I don't know, I'll probably just leave it like that for now. But other than that, I mean, here you can see it the most though. See that dent in here? This side doesn't have it. See that? So the chassis was definitely bent a little bit. Hopefully that doesn't affect too much. I kind of feel like stopping it here, but I'm gonna just keep going for now. I know it's fixable, so as long as everything else is fine, I don't care. But I'm trying to notice right now, I think this is normal. I'm gonna look more further into it, but it should be fine. But yeah, I still got basically like all of this to do, all of the back, all of this right here, all of that. But yeah, I gotta take all this stuff out still. I forgot to do that. But once I hit the back, I'll start taking everything off. I just want to sand everything in here first. Once I have everything in here sanded down, I'll focus on the back, take everything out little by little. Shouldn't take that long, but I want to do it the right way for sure. Oh yeah, well, thanks for watching. So I'm gonna pick this up in the second episode when I have everything sanded down and basically ready for a primer. And having all that ready, basically when I have it all sanded down and I'll take everything out, I'll record that. And then when I primer it down, that's gonna be kind of like that. It's gonna be a build series. This is what I want this car for. I'm taking my time with it. It's not gonna be done in a month or anything. Obviously, it's not gonna take fucking years to finish it, but I hope not, at least. But I already have basically everything for the car. I have the block sitting there. I just gotta get piston rods and a crank for it, and all the little other stuff. I have a transmission for it. All I need to do is find a head, get a head package, and you know, at least that part I have it. All I need now is just have the car basically ready and get all the little stuff like the swap, the harness, my bad. The harness, you know, the jump harness, with all those little stuff like that, which is cheap. It's not that much. So nowadays they make it so easy for us to do this swap, so it should be pretty easy, straightforward. This car, I mean, I can have this car ready if I really want to in about a month or two. No, probably like 2 months, 2-3 months. But since I want to take my time and make it perfect, this is one of my dream cars. I'm just gonna take my time with it, and I don't know, let's see. But I do plan on doing something with this car to give back. So, or I'll probably buy something else too, like either give away a RAV4 or something like that. But anyways, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, man. I got a lot of content. I got 2 other cars, 2 other builds. So stay around for that. And like I said, I still got some cars coming to the channel. So it's going to be something different. So let's get it, man. Peace out.